NEDCo has announced the return of its staff stationed at the power switching station in Boko in the Upper East region. These staff, who were providing a 24-hour service via a shift arrangement, fled the power control room during the recent escalation of violence in the Boko area. The staff had been moved from Boko to Bolga, and their working hours at the switching station reduced from a 24-hour service to from the hours of 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. The absence of the staff at the control room, coupled with the inability of the company to carry out its routine maintenance over the years, triggered a rampant power outages in Garu and its surroundings, including the East Mamprisi municipality and the Bunkurgu Napanduri district in the northeast region, as well as some areas of neighboring Burkina Faso and Togo. Speaking in the regional capital Nalergu, the NEDCo area manager, however, stated that measures were in place to resolve the situation.
Within this week, we've reviewed certain things, and they've been quite we stationed the guys at Zabila for proximity's sake, so they can expedite action anytime there is a situation in the evening, under military cover, of course, police cover. And then also we've managed to get somebody stationed at the control room, so in the event that the power goes on in the night, they're able to restore. Then we've also detailed a team from the border office to come and then augment the efforts being put in place by people like Sechi, and then those other supervisors in Garu and then Bunkuru, just to improve on the quality of service. Because for the past 2 years, we've not been able to do thorough maintenance on our line. We are making attempts to get that one addressed in the future. But they'll come around this weekend. Work will start. When all these things are done, we are hoping that there will be significant improvement in the network, as you can see in the past few days.
The area manager, Eugene Odoe-Ado, was speaking during a revenue mobilization exercise in Nalergu and Gambaga. The exercise, despite the erratic power supply in the region, was led by the team from Bolga and was to retrieve monies in debt from customers as part of the company's revenue mobilization drive. The team first visited the Nalergu Baptist Medical Center, where the Billing and Protection Officer, William Kwame Asari, led the discussion with the hospital administrator.
We have two accounts here. One outstanding bill is, as at March, is 413,000. The other one, the outstanding bill as at March is 58,091. So we expect the facility to pay the bills.
There was even a letter that they even got, just like because they haven't given you actually we are people at the head office now.
The ministry one or your check one?
The ministry and the check one.
The ministry one is what we are working with.
The check one is what we
The check one there. The check one, they put it somewhere. Because the check one, we are not working with it.
At the Nalergu Nursing and Midwifery Training College, management pleaded to be given more time to clear the arrears.
Because at March, April payment was not packed. So if I take out the 100,000 pay, the total indebtedness is 386,505. And is the reason why we are here.
The students will come by the 18th. They will start paying. I believe that by the close of this month, if we are not able to knock off the entire thing, we will have paid at least minimum 200,000.
Tempest, however, fled on the other hand when the team arrived on the campus of the Gambaga College of Education after a misunderstanding between the team and the college's head of finance, who was disputing the amount in debt quoted by the NEDCo staff. His conduct angered the officers to order the disconnection of the school, but later rescinded their decision after a plea by the accountant. The exercise was also conducted at the regional office of the Ghana Health Services. The Billing and Protection Officer, William Asari, speaking after the exercise, encouraged customers to pay up their bills to avoid disconnection from power supply.
This will prevent us from getting to where we are now, where these institutions have huge unpaid bills. Once they commit to paying the current bills, it's a good sign for us. As for the arrears, like you notice, we have had an arrangement with all of them to pay the arrears over a period of time.
He added that as part of a new arrangement, customers are now required to pay their bills as soon as they are delivered to them. From Nalergu, Ilyas Sutanku, Joy News.